The pizza boxes are empty, and the conversation stalls. Someone suggests a game, but the Wi-Fi is spotty, and nobody wants to spend 5 minutes creating a new account. The momentum of the night dies right there. This artwork displays Infinite, a local party game platform built specifically to bypass those friction points. In this video, we will walk through the single-device setup, show how to build a multi-device local mesh network, and execute the mechanics for deduction, storytelling, and reflex games. Removing internet requirements and account creation keeps everyone engaged. You go straight from downloading the software to playing the game. This launch screen provides your first structural choice. Tapping Un dispositivo puts everyone on the same phone, while multi-dispositivo links separate hardware. Notice the Party Game Scene Internet label. Core gameplay requires 0 cloud connection. This menu displays the game portfolio. You can see the required player counts and quick descriptions for titles ranging from Deduction to Physical Action. This configuration screen shows the setup process. You type 3 to 10 player names, like Alpi, Claude, and Gemini seen here, directly into the local database to begin. Since players share hardware, the system uses a pass device screen. It forces the current player to tap a physical button to reveal their secret role, keeping information completely hidden during handoffs. This single-device architecture ensures the group can play immediately. If exactly one person has battery life, the game night proceeds. This diagram maps out the requirements for multi-device mode. Players need a shared local connection. Devices must sit on the exact same Wi-Fi router or connect directly to each other using Bluetooth via Android's nearby connections. One user acts as the host. They initiate the Create Room broadcast, scanning the immediate physical area. The other players tap Join Room. They skip account creation entirely and instantly locate the host's broadcast signal. The host reviews the incoming requests and taps Accept. This establishes the host device as the master controller for the game state. Communicating exclusively through local nodes ensures 0 latency feedback during fast-paced games and keeps all player data isolated to the room. Let's run the deduction protocol using FunOut Occulto. The host configures the timer and selects a vocabulary category, like animals, for the round. This prompt ensures privacy before the role reveal. Players tap to see their assignment. The majority, the citizens, receive a specific secret word. The designated hidden player receives only question marks. A synchronized timer appears on all screens. Every player must say exactly 1 word aloud related to the secret topic. The citizens aim to prove they know the word, while the hidden listens, trying to blend in without giving themselves away. This interface shows the voting process. Once time expires, players review the avatars and secretly lock in their choice for the imposter. The app includes a variant called FunOut Trazos. Instead of speaking, players take turns adding single strokes to a shared digital canvas. The hidden has to draw without knowing what the object actually is. Executing this core loop, privately checking a role, debating, and voting, prepares the group to play any social deduction title in the library. For a different dynamic, Ensueño and ImproSync test storytelling. The system assigns secret words, and active players must seamlessly improvise them into a spoken narrative before time runs out. The host tracks successful words on their screen. Larger groups use Enclave. The room splits into red and blue teams. A designated spy master on each side gives single-word clues, guiding their operatives to find specific target cards on a grid while avoiding the assassin. In El Diccionario, the system pulls an obscure word from its internal database. One player knows the real definition. The rest type out highly credible fake meanings to trick the group into voting for their lie. Fun, it requires physical movement. The app delivers localized audio instructions. Players hold their phones and must lean, shake, or jump in sequence to avoid elimination in a randomized hot potato mode. This layout belongs to Chess, a real-time card game. Players drag and drop consecutive numbers to clear their hands. When the central piles match, you race to hit the red Chiss button in the corner to penalize the opponent. Switching between Bluffing, Physical Action, and Reflex games accommodates different group sizes and keeps the room actively engaged throughout the session. We covered navigating the single-device setup, selecting game modes, and broadcasting a local network mesh to connect individual player hardware. Every step of this process runs independent of internet availability and skips the friction of passwords and profiles. To ensure a successful event, launch the night with a single device round of Occulto. It requires minimal explanation and proves the system works in under 3 minutes. Controlling this local ecosystem removes dead air and transforms the host into the architect of a seamless social gathering.